Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back for my 13-year loc update video. I'm a little late. My loc anniversary was officially May 15th, 2023. And I'm 13 years loc. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? I've been on YouTube for 13 years, documenting my loc journey. As far as updates, what I can say is I cut my hair, as you guys may know. I cut 12 inches off. I cut back on color touching up. You know, I colored my locks black maybe in 2018, I think maybe 17. And I've been redoing the color every, I would say 4 months. But as far as this past year, I probably only colored it black again once. And the reason why I was touching it up so much was because like my old red would keep popping up, and I don't find that it pops up so much anymore. So I don't need to color it so much anymore. And as far as these curls, as you see, these are pipe cleaner curls. I curled them almost a week ago, and I've been mostly just wearing it up like in a curly bun, and it's been out the way and I haven't been worrying about my hair much, so that's great. I will have a video explaining how to do pipe cleaner curls. I have an old one, but I want to do an updated one, so I'll show you guys that soon. I have to edit that video. But yeah, these are the curls, and I love pipe cleaner curls because they give you the tightest, shortest curls, which I love because it's a nice way to switch it up. So as you can see, like my hair right now is like kind of like shoulder length right now. When I first took the rollers out or the pipe cleaners out, it was like neck length. So that was really cute and different. But as far as more updates, like my business, I want to let you guys know that I'm now on Amazon. My gel is now on Amazon. I would really, really appreciate it if you get my gel on Amazon. That will help my listing become more visible, you know, move to the top for when people search loc gel. You know, it's best when listing is towards the top because people tend to buy, you know, from the first few listings that they see. So please head over to my Amazon link and get your loc gel from there. I would really, really appreciate it, especially if you already buy my gels, you already love it. Definitely get it from Amazon. You'll get your 2-day shipping. And please leave a review on Amazon. That will really help me out so much. I really appreciate how much you guys have supported my shop over these past few years. I'm really trying to elevate, and I am elevating, and I'm working on making Love, Light, and Locs as big as it can be. So I really appreciate your support. I recently rebranded my labels. I took my face off of the labels except for the gel, but my face is off of the rest of the labels. They're more unisex now, which was important to me because men have locs too, and men need products for the locs as well. And having my image on there kind of, you know, feminized the product a bit. So now I think that it appeals more to everyone. So definitely re-up on your loc products on KeishaCharmaine.com. Right now we have a Father's Day sale. You can get 20% off using the code POPS, P-O-P-S, all caps. And you'll get your 20% off of orders $40 and up, okay? And we have more head wraps that are gender neutral or even masculine even. So if you're a dad or the men in your life who are fathers, you want to get them a nice gift and they have locs, check out the infinity head wraps that I have. A lot of them are masculine in design, and definitely check out some of the long head wraps as well, because some of those colors I think men will enjoy as well. That's pretty much it. I just came back from the gym. I didn't even like drawing my eyebrows or anything like that. Lately, I haven't really been caring for makeup too much. that's just where I'm at right now, which is funny because, listen, I used to beat my face down every time I would come on YouTube, but now I don't care anymore. Like, I've been more into my skincare, and I'm just loving my skin. I actually will be having a skincare video coming really, really soon, because it's come a long way. Because there was a time in like 2021, 2022 where my skin was acting crazy. It was acting crazy, and I found a way to resolve it, and I want to share it with you, and I want to let you guys know the things that I've been doing to get my skin in tip-top shape. So yeah, my skin is great. It's got to work on these eyebrows, child. I used to get microblading, but you know what? I found that my skin, it doesn't take to like numbing creams. So that was just really, really painful. And I don't think that I'm gonna do that again. But yeah, I'm working on growing them out because they're just weird shaped. My eyebrows have always been kind of weird shaped, but I'll see what I can do. But if I'm not able to grow them in, it's fine. I don't mind filling them in with a little pencil every now and then, you know, or some eyeshadow. It's fine. I think that's really it. If you guys have any like recommendations or suggestions, requests for video content, I would really appreciate it, because, you know, as I've been on YouTube for so long, you know, I don't like my videos to be too redundant, but I realize I do have a lot of new followers who may not have seen all of my old videos. So leave your requests down below, and I'll try my best to fulfill that and make a video on your requests so you guys can refer to some newer content. And yeah, and I do kind of want to like branch out a bit. My phone is blown up, child. I do kind of want to branch out a bit as far as, you know, making content that's not solely about locks, because I know my views have gone down significantly, and I don't know if it's just because of the locks. Maybe locks aren't as popular on YouTube anymore, or maybe people just not checking for me like that. I don't know what it is, but I do love to come through on here, because some of you guys do still watch my videos. Some of you guys still do appreciate lock updates and just lock content that I create. So I'm gonna keep up with my channel, even if I'm shifting gears just a little bit. I'm gonna do that. So again, to wrap this up, thank you so much for following me along my 13 years. I'm gonna keep going on the road to 14 years. Wow. I'm gonna keep curling them, because lock curls was something that I loved doing when my hair was shorter, but as my hair got really long, it became really difficult to curl them, and when they did curl, it was harder to keep them lasting because they were so long, you know. So I'm gonna keep trying different curls to play with while my hair is still at like waist length. And I'm gonna grow my hair down to my tailbone, and once it gets to tailbone, I'm gonna try to maintain it there, because I don't want it to get any longer than that. Y'all know I was stressed out, child. I was stressed out with the super long locks. But yeah, again, make sure you get your lock gel, your Love Light Locs gel on Amazon. The link is below, and make sure you take advantage of the Father's Day sale. Use code POPS for 20% off. Your order is $40 and up. Check out my rebranded labels, and thank you so much for watching. Love, Light, and Locs.